Hi again. So the next tool that we're going to talk about is Edpuzzle. This is what the home page looks like, but I've already created an account. I'm actually going to be using a teacher account. So when you create that, this is what it looks like. Edpuzzle is a free and super user-friendly video streaming platform. It allows you to actually take any video from YouTube, Khan Academy. You can take crash course videos, things from Nat Geo, and then you can crop them, record your voice on top of it, so you can explain it in your own words. You can actually also add different types of questions. So you can do open-ended questions, multiple choice, and you can really create a more interactive video streaming experience. So instead of a typical quiz, you can have your students log on. And then, so for example, this is one that I created or started to create. I took this crash course video, and then you're able to select it, and you can edit it, play it. You can actually see what other people have done with the video. So you can see 170. So for example, this teacher, he edited it. He added all these open-ended and multiple choice questions. So you can utilize your personal learning network if you have one. You can utilize them, go on, find what they've done with the videos, and then it really creates a more interactive experience for your students.